Hi and welcome back to the channel. If you want to block advertisement on your Android smartphone but you don't know how to do it, watch this video till the end because in this video I'm gonna give you a quick fix. To start our video, you need to access the settings on your Android smartphone, then tap on the connections and then you will find the option more connection settings, then tap on private DNS. This window will pop up and it will set to automatic or off. You need to tap on the private DNS. It is whatever there is and then type in dns.adguard.com and then tap on save. So guys, as you can see, it is connected to dns.adguard.com, and from now on when you're surfing on the internet or open any website, you will not see any advertisement from now on. So guys, this is all it takes to block advertisement on your Android smartphone. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.